How to sell a t-shirt in Please Donate Roblox. So simply open up the Roblox website and then you want to click on create. From here, what we have to do is click on manage my experiences. Then we have to navigate to the avatar items right here. So click on it. And as you can see, I already have 2 t-shirts that I have created, but I'm going to show you how you can make one. Click on upload asset. Click on upload again. Here we want to go to whichever icon we want to use or whichever picture we want to use. And then we have to set a name for it. So let's just leave it as cat. Description, t-shirt with a cat. All right. So after you have done this, you have to click on upload. Okay, and now this is being created, the t-shirt with the cat. So all we have to do is left click on it, then mark as on sale right here, and then put a price. So let's do 10 Robux, for example. And as you can see, open for comments, on sale, and we sell it for 10 Robux. So we gotta click on save changes, and actually it will cost us 10 Robux if we wanna sell a t-shirt, unlike a Game Pass, which is free. So that is how you sell a t-shirt after you have used up 10 Robux. Unfortunately, I don't have it, but after you have used up 10 Robux to sell this t-shirt, all you have to do is click on save changes and then simply refresh this with this button right here, and then you will have your t-shirt on sale in Roblox Please Donate. So I hope this was useful. Make sure to like and sub if it helped you out, and I'll see you guys next time.